it sounded like firecrackers. This is a tragedy for a lot of the families.
You were one of the security guards?
Yeah, it was one of the security. My girlfriend got shot. She's doing fine. I mean, she's at home.
Where was she shot?
She's shot in her leg.
Officers arrived on scene, found multiple victims suffering from various levels of gunshot wounds. EMS was called. Multiple units came, responded to help triage, transport patients from the scene. Over on Parkway, there was, I believe, a vehicle and a house was hit by gunfire, and possibly a subject was hit, but a very minor injury, like a graze.